Hello my friends, how's it going? It's Alex once again, bringing you some more fun-free drumming ideas. For this week's lesson, as you probably see in the intro, we've got a lovely little drum fill which is going to utilise my new toy, which is this 14-inch Zildjian effects stack. I've been looking to get one of these for a little while, and throughout lockdown I broke like 3 of my cymbals, so I had a bit of a spend. Thought I'd treat myself. And I've been having a lot of fun with it. I always like those drum fills where you can hear these little, like, sometimes hi-hats, sometimes like bell of rides, but especially when you get one of those little trashy, sometimes a quick decay china or one of these stack cymbals just cutting through. I think it sounds really nice. So I put one of my own together, and if you like what we saw in the intro and you want to give this bad boy a crack, stick around and I'll break it down. Here we go. All right, so this fill is 2 measures long, but like the opening part, the first bar, you could sort of use it as a run-up because it's got like a bit of a groove to it. It's essentially just an inverted paradiddle play between the stack, the kick and the snare. And if you know the inverted paradiddle, it's right, left, left, right, left, right, right, left. We're going to do the first 2 big rights up on the stack, so you get... Okay, so loud and punchy. Then we're going to crack the snare. We're essentially going to sort of like do the mirror opposite on the with the left hand. So we're going to go snare, right, right, left. And if you sort of combine those 2 together, you get boom, left, left, right, right, snare. So you are going to be bringing your right hand over to the snare for the double stroke, and then just repeat that a couple of times. So you go 1, 2, all right, and again, it sounds great with this lovely little thing. So I'm going to blast this out a little bit louder. I'm going to turn it down so I don't destroy your ears. So I'll start off slow and then build up the tempo a bit. I don't even need to catch it because it's so quick. All right, so that sounds really nice. Actually, it might be a bit too loud. And it's a really good workout for your left hand. One of the things I've been concentrating on recently is just, my left hand's always been like pretty good, but I noticed when I sort of like listen back to recordings I've done, it just sort of loses its way and loses a bit of power and precision when I'm sort of playing some of those more paradiddly patterns, and it's got to do some of those quick doubles. So I've been really trying to sort of like focus on maybe move my hand to the centre of a drum to get a bit more volume, and then using the thumb and the index finger with these little fingers wrapping around to get just a bit more clarity and, like I said, a bit more precision and sort of maintain like a consistent sound with my left hand. And this is a great little exercise for that, and it sounds sick at the same time. So this is your opening bar. 1 and 3 and you can crack that last left. Once we've done that, we're going to go into like the fill that you'd probably hear. So if I was playing like, you might not get away with playing this particular fill, but if you're sort of like grooving along with your band or whatever, you're sort of going to that next sort of 4-bar sort of chord progression, play your first 2 bars of groove, bar 3, pop into this because it holds that boom, ba-da, boom, ba-da. So it keeps the groove locked in. And then we go off into this little pattern where we're going to play a group of 6, which will be right, left, left kick. And we're going to play that going from big snare on the right, right, left, and then right, left, left, kick. It's one of those sticking patterns we use quite a lot. All right, big rights, ghostly lefts. And of course, a nice big thunderous kick. Once we've done that, we're going to play another group of 6, but this one will be right, left, kick, kick. And we're going to play that high tom, stack, snare, and then 2 kicks. You get... Okay, so we get this popping out a nice weird place, which I like. And then once we've done that, we've got 4 notes just to sort of finish things off. We're going to stick with just the hands, and we're going to play stack, high tom, floor tom, and then pop our crash at the end. So let's just go through essentially measure 2. So we've got right, left, kick, then right, left, kick, and then right, left, crash. I'm going to turn down and play it a little bit faster. So we've got... Okay, again, you can just use this bit on its own if you wanted to go like boom, 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 down. I missed my stack. Let's try again. Okay. Let's turn it up a little bit. So that's the second part. Now what we've got to do is combine these 2 bad boys together. So we've got right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, kick, right, left, kick, right, left, crash. And that is essentially the whole fill. Of course, you can replace the stack if you've got like a china, it would sound quite nice with that, or the bell of the ride, it works really well with that, so we can get... All right, maybe towards the end, I wouldn't use the bell as a problem. I suppose you could. There's no rules. But I feel like when you've got the kick in the bell, it sounds really good. But when you've just got like a couple of lonely bells in there... I'm lying, I take it back. It does sound pretty nice. If you don't want to go for the bell, I mean... So... just replacing the opening inverted paddles with the hi-hat and the bass drum. That was right, yeah. And then I'm just playing the same sticking, right, left, kick, and then gonna go high, floor, snare, kick, kick, and then snare, high, floor. To finish it off, that would sound like... That was terrible. And that sounds quite nice as well. Okay, so that's all the sticking done. What I'm going to do now is I'll pop up there, I'll go through it at like 90 BPM, I'll just do 1 bar groove, then the fill, 1 bar groove and the fill, so it doesn't take too long. Then we'll go through it at 120 where it starts to get a little bit more spicy, and then we'll blast it out at maybe like 140, 150. You can go higher, of course, but I think the sweet spot is that around 140, 150 BPM. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you after the demonstration. So, all right, 90 BPM, 1 bar groove into the fill. Here we go. Jump it up to 120. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. 140, still doable. 1, 2, 3. Alright guys, so there it is. I hope you enjoyed that drum fill. If you have recently acquired a new little stack cymbal like I have, give this a go. If you've got like a nice, dry, attacky, brash, oriental crash, those kind of rhymed, or a nice big bell on your ride, then have a play around with that particular sticking. I think it sounds quite nice. Like I said before, like the first bar, you could sort of use almost as like a run up to the fill. So you've got that, it's gonna sit quite nicely in, like quite a few contexts because it's still that, it's got a groove to it almost. And then you can sort of like splutter around the drum kit, the right, left, kick, right, left, kick, right, left, push, to make it sound quite nice. If you are a sponsor, I'm going to film some more lessons. We're going to sort of keep it in the same theme, but we're going to start looking at another cool little pattern. If you're interested, alexribchesterdrums.com. We put more content up there, and as well as putting it up on YouTube. So if you want to go a little bit further with these lessons, head over there. You can sign up for £5 a month. You can cancel any time. If you want to sign up for the year, you get a month for free. No, that's a lie, you get 2 months for free. So it's 50 quid for the year, or £5 a month, or $5 a month. I think it works out, the exchange rate's pretty poor for us at the moment, so I think it's about $5 a month. So once again, thank you very much for watching. If you like the video, give it a like, subscribe if you're new to the channel, hit that little bell icon if you want to be notified every time a new lesson comes out. And if you want to go one step further, sign up to our website, just 1 month, give it a go. There's plenty of material. In fact, you won't be able to get through all the material in 1 month, I guarantee that. So once again, thank you very much, and I'll see you next week for some more fun, free drumming ideas. All right, bye.